Hi Crafty Friends, it's Scrapping Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Here in Texas, it was a very hot day. I think it went up to 70, in the 70s, high 70s. So we actually had to turn on the air. But anyway, okay, so today we're going to do, I'm going to be showing you 5 paintings from New Craft Day. And they wanted me to share those with you. Also, they also gave me a code and you get 10% off. So we'll put that in the description box. Okay. And the good thing about New Craft Day is you can also choose the size you want. So they can offer the 20 by 30 or 30 by 40, 40 by 50, 45 by 60, or 50 by 70 centimeters. Okay. All right. So this is the first one. This one is called Girl. Okay. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful girl. She's got flowers in her hair, red flowers, and a beautiful red dress. And I believe she's playing the violin. Love the colors in the background. It's very clear, actually. I have noticed that the symbols are this way. I don't know if you can see that, but the symbols are that way. Okay. And it has 2 legends, which is nice. Okay. So this one is a 30 by 40. Let's get my ruler, because I have no idea where my measuring tape is right now. Oh, actually, there it is. Okay, so let's see. The actual print is actually 24 by 34. Okay, so let's see how sticky it is. It's super sticky. This one has, let's see, 29 colors, and it is $7.12. Okay, it's very pretty. These are the colors. It comes in these individual bags. Let's see. I'm going to take them all out because I do have 5 paintings to show you. But just looking at it like this, I guess you can see them like this. Looks like it's got reds, lots of like browns and wine colors. Oh, wait, yeah. Peaches. I always say I'm not going to take them out, and I eventually do. I can't help myself. I feel like I need to show you the colors. But anyway, so you see, you got pinks, lots of browns, reds, of course, because of her dress. Then you have some black here, peach, different kinds of shades of red, mauve. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. I love her. Okay, next one. Next one is actually called Lotus. Okay. And this one is also 30 by 40. It has 30 colors, and it's $7.12. So let's look at the centimeters on this. 34 by 24. Okay. And it's actually very pretty. I just don't know if this is a pond or a lake. There's fireflies flying around. You can't really see them here. Well, I can anyway. These are the lotus flowers. And then there's a dragonfly flying around here. And of course, it's nighttime. So it's really pretty, actually. All right, let me bring it up so you can see it. It's very clear, actually. Okay. Super sticky. All right, and here are the colors for this one. So just by looking at it, it has greens, turquoise, it's going to have yellows, grays, purples. Wow, lots of greens. I don't know if you can see that, and blues. Of course, because if you look at the painting, it's got lots of blues and greens all around. Okay, and this one's also $7.12. And they are all full square, all of them, all 5 of them. I thought it, you know, for a change, because I usually get lots of rounds. Why not get some squares? Okay. The next one is called Cartoon Doll. Just a cutie pie. I love everything about her. It looks like she's got like a little teddy bear hat going on, and the teddy bear shoes, her little tights, her very pretty dress. Just adorable. Let's see, there's a picture here. Let me see if I can see what she's holding. Oh, she's holding like a palm leaf. Just very pretty. Love the colors in the background. Of course, blues and greens, my favorite color. Okay, this one is also supposed to be a 30 by 40. Okay, let's see. The true size is 24 by 34. Okay, very, very cute. You can see her eyes, but it doesn't look like she has a nose or a mouth. But she's still cute. Okay, so this one is, okay, so 30 by 40, 30 colors, and it's $7.12. Okay, very sticky. So you can bring her up so you can see her cute little face. See that? It's just cute. And then her little shoes. Look at her little shoes. Like little teddy bears. Okay, so let's look at the colors. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, they all come with the same. It's a pen, wax, tweezers, placers, and a tray. All 5 of them. Same packet. Okay, so by looking at these colors, we have lots of greens, lots of browns, and blues, mostly. And then, of course, this color here, these light colors, I think it's for her skin color. Okay, and probably for the hat and the booties. Well, slippers or boots or whatever she's wearing. Okay. That was the 3rd one. The 4th one is called Little Girl. Just a little girl, just very cute. So she's holding a little bunny, and it looks like she's got a little blankie, security blankie, and she's wearing these sandal shoes. She's holding, it looks like a bouquet of flowers, and she's wearing a really, really cool hat. And then these are her tiny eyes. That's it. No nose and no mouth. I guess that's what makes her so cute. And then, of course, this very pretty scarf. Very clear. Okay, this one also, let's see, it's supposed to be 30 by 40. 24. Looks like they're all 24 by 34. 34. Okay. And this one, like I said before, has 30 colors. It's $7.12. Let me bring a little girl up so you can see how cute her little hat is. Is that not the cutest? Look at her little eyes. And there goes her bunny. And let me show you her little shoes. Okay, just very cute. All right. Also square. Like I said, they're all square. And the last one is Snowman. You know that had to be a snowman, guys. Come on. But this one's called Snowman, but it's basically 2. There are 2 of them. But the funny thing is that they're sitting on a wishing well, which is very pretty, and they are dressed like scarecrows. So I love them. There's snow, and the sky is blue, and then it says Merry Christmas. I think it says, yeah, Merry Christmas there. Okay, so this one is also full square. Let's see the centimeters. It's supposed to be 30 by 40, but it's going to be 24, probably by 34. Yep. Okay. And it's also $7.12. So they are all 30 by 40. They are all square, and they are all $7.12. So let me bring it up so you can see. Look how cute they are. They're buddies, and they're wearing like little orange shoes and a little scarf. They're basically dressed like scarecrows. And look at the well. See that? Very pretty. It's very clear, super sticky. Oh, wait a minute. I did not show you the, okay, let me show you these quickly. Okay, so you got blues, purples, orange, light pink. Okay, lots of pretty colors in here. All right, But I did forget to show you. I tell you, I'm losing it. Okay, this one. Let's go back to Little Girl, because I forgot to show you the colors, the drills. All right, and this one has just basically lots of pinks and purples and beige. This is that pretty sage. That's probably for the background. Peachy colors. Okay. All right. So let me bring them all out. I'm going to try to bring them out in order. So, okay. So we have Snowman. Okay. And then we had Little Girl. And then we had Cartoon Doll. Lotus. I love Lotus. And of course the beautiful girl playing the violin, and she's called Girl. Okay, so we have 5 beautiful paintings, guys. All right, so that's about it. I will, like I said before, I also thank New Craft Day for giving me this opportunity, and also to thank all of you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.